Alrighty guys, you are currently looking at the world's first single rail roller coaster, Wonder Woman. Yeah, they're almost done. Like, wow. It looks really fun. I'm actually excited to ride this. The track looks like a little spaghetti noodle. I'm excited to ride this. Definitely. They got the drop done. All they have to do is the lift hill, it looks like. That's about it. A few turns maybe. But yeah, we're almost done. This looks great. Alright guys, here's one last look at Wonder Woman, just in case I don't get to come back here today, but that's what it looks like right now. And any photos that you guys see on Instagram are mine, so don't steal any of them.